let's turn to these meditations, and the first one has to do with the steadiness of the mountains, the steadfastness of the mountains. We read in the Bible sometimes that the prophet calls upon God and says, "You are my rock." You know, when everything is shifting, when everything is dissolving, you are the steadfast truth of my deepest experience. You are my rock. And we ourselves could become more mountainous if we were more patient and faithful and persevering. When we don't know our own minds, when we're coming and going, when we're distracted and scattered, we're not very mountainous at that time. But we're mountainous when we're enduring and steadfast and true to our friendships, true to our purpose. So Maulana Rumi says, "He that jumps at every breath of wind is like straw. But how should the mountain attach any weight to the wind?" So the wind might blow this way and that, might push you in this direction or that. Opinions whirl around you, pressures whirl around you. But you might just take a cue from the mountain and be slow down. Don't immediately jump to conclusions. Don't immediately assume things or chase after things, but slow down, be steady, be present. And these are the words of Murshid from the meditation. Inhaling, let me stand by truth in all calamities. Exhaling, as the mountain stands unshaken through storms. Inhaling, let me stand by truth in all calamities. Exhaling, as the mountain stands unshaken through storms. So is there a problem that you're confronting in your life right now? Some kind of adversity or challenge? Can you see what the mountain has to teach at this station in your life? What advice does the mountain give you regarding steadfastness, standing by truth? And Murshid says, love climbs the mountain of life step by step. We'll get there, one step at a time. let every step be a sure step. You don't have to leap to the peak. What's important is simply to carefully direct each step toward the goal, confidently, tranquilly, assuredly. We'll get there. And there's guidance for us every step along the way. We'll never be left abandoned. The mountaintop wants us as much as we want the mountaintop. Inhaling, help me climb the mountain path. Exhaling, which leads to thy shrine. Help me climb the mountain path that leads to thy shrine. Amen. Thank you so much, Siti Nawal. Thank you so much, Professor Sherto Gil. Thank you, Gulruk. Love to you, friends. Let's close now with the prayer Khatum. O thou who art the perfection of love, harmony, and beauty, the sovereign of heaven and earth, open our hearts that we may hear thy voice, which constantly cometh from within. Disclose to us thy divine light, which is hidden in our souls, that we may know and understand life better. Most merciful and compassionate God, give us thy great goodness. Teach us thy loving forgiveness. Raise us above the distinctions and differences which divide us. Send us the peace of thy divine Spirit, and unite us all.